Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. This is Sister J. If this is not your first time here, I thank you so much for your support. Thank you for coming back. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Today I'm going to be making some sweetened condensed milk. Easy and simple. Come along with me while we make some condensed milk. So for this sweetened condensed milk, we just need 2 ingredients. Okay, so here I have 2 cups of milk, all milk, and 1 cup of sugar. I use the long life milk, as we normally call it, the milk that stays in the box on the shelf. The reason why I use that one is because you need to use room temperature milk, and the long life milk or the box milk, you get them on the shelf in the supermarket. So to me, those are the better kind to use. If you choose to use your old milk that's in the refrigerator, then you have to take it out and put it for room temperature. Okay, it is simple and easy. Just follow the steps. All we need is sugar, milk, a spoon, and a saucepan, and fire. That's it. That's it. Easy and simple. So we're going to need 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of sugar, and then stir and let the sugar dissolve. So we're going to leave this to boil for about 15 minutes, and then we simmer. So now guys, we're going to turn the fire down. So you put it on low, so it go ahead and simmer down. Okay, so we're going to leave this to simmer for another 25 minutes. So you're going to allow the milk to cool down, and then you pour it in a jar that you're going to store it in. Guys, this is the condensed milk, as you can see. And you watch the steps and you see how easy it was. Yes, this is our sweetened condensed milk. Look at the spoon. You can see that. Take up some more. Pour it down. See how thick it is? And then it's going to leave some on the spoon. Look. See that, guys? Look. Sweetened condensed milk. Tastes like the real deal. Guys, you gotta try this one. It is simple and easy. When you try this, you might want to go back to the store and buy your sweetened condensed milk you will make. It's that easy and simple. When it is cool, then you have to pour it in your jar that you're going to store it in. There you have it, guys. Our sweetened condensed milk.
I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.